I welcome you back to another great tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And this video show you a start way on how to find a verified store on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app for this tutorial. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app to import from China successful without any stress. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And in this video, I will show you how to find a verified store on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, a store that has a buyer protection on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. This is very much important to consider before you go ahead and make a purchase from any store on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Verified badge is always important. So let's find out on how you can see a verified supplier on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Pinduoduo shopping app. After you open up your Pinduoduo shopping app, then right here, we are going to use any product here as an example. So I'm going to use this particular store right here as an example. So what we want to do here is to click on the store. Now, how do we find out if a store has a buyer protection and the store has been verified? Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Then from the store name right here, you see this particular icon right here. Any store that has this icon, it means they are verified and they has a buyer protection, which means that if you make a purchase from this store, you are guaranteed of anything that happened to the product. You are guaranteed of customer support and after sales service from this particular store. And at the same time, they are legit. They have been verified by Pinduoduo customer service. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply identify a verified supplier that have a buyer protection on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.